If you're even thinking of buying or selling a home in Alpharetta, Georgia, you can't afford to miss this video as we're diving deep into the Alpharetta real estate market, and we're doing it right now. Let's do it. John McCoy here, Keller Williams Realty, Chattahoochee North. Been an agent for 12 years and an Atlanta native for 45, and I love diving into numbers. If you were thinking about purchasing a home or selling a home in Alpharetta, you're definitely going to want to stay tuned as we're going to dive deep into the numbers. And if you're not really a numbers person, you would rather just kind of figure out if Alpharetta is a great place to live, you may want to take a look at this video right here popping up as I talk about what it's like living in Alpharetta, Georgia. Well, for those that want the numbers, let's dive into it right now. All right, so we're first looking at the single-family detached home market for Alpharetta, Georgia. This is an overview right here, and we're looking at, first of all, months of inventory. So we got 2.47 months of inventory on the market in Alpharetta, Georgia. So we are definitely in a seller's market still. 97.7% sales to list price ratio. For those that are listing your home, the median homes are getting 97.7% of their list price. So that's the median that's going on right in the middle. 27 days on market, so a little over 4 weeks. So definitely an increase in time on markets going on here. Median sales price for single family homes in Alpharetta, Georgia for the month of October was $830,000. So that's what's going on in the current market here in Alpharetta. If I jump to condos and townhomes for this market, you're going to see an uptick. So we're looking at 3.26 months of inventory for attached homes. That's condos and townhomes. 97.9% sales to list price ratio, 33 days on market here. Median sales price, which of course is going to be down because condos and townhomes sell at a lower price, $545,000. This is down month over month. All right, we're going to jump from here to the median estimated values, and that's what we're looking at. So a little different than the sales prices. This is actually looking at all the homes that are in Alpharetta, Georgia, and their median estimated value based on some calculations that have been done. So in Alpharetta, Georgia, again, back to single family homes, we're looking at the median value of a single family home being $871,970 here in Alpharetta, Georgia. Not much of a change month over month, plus 0.1, but big change here for looking year over year. We have a 9.6% increase in home values here in Alpharetta, Georgia. If I'm continuing to look at this and looking at this chart right here, this chart shows a lot. It's kind of interesting. So first of all, yellow line is for the state of Georgia. The red line here is for the United States as a whole. Orange line for for Fulton County, and the blue line here specifically for the city of Alpharetta. So a couple things to point out. One is you can see here the U.S. used to actually run a little higher than the state of Georgia, and around 2022 we finally hit the same median price, and we've pretty much stayed level since 2022 with what's happening in the U.S. If I jump to Gwinnett County, I'm sorry, Gwinnett, I keep saying that, for Fulton County, Fulton County's been above the state in the U.S. Nationally for a good while here, sells higher. And then if we look at Alpharetta, definitely has been higher. Specifically, look at this jump from 2021, around that pandemic time, up. So we can see some things here that are interesting. We see Fulton County still kind of going on an upward trajectory. The U.S. and Georgia have kind of more leveled off, but Alpharetta has gone even a higher trajectory. And that is reflected in that 9.6 months increase over a 12-month period. So back in, let's see here, let's find October 2023, we were looking at estimated value of $795,610 for Alpharetta, Georgia, and now obviously we're at the $871,970. So definitely big increases happening here. Even if we factor in inflation, which is around 3%, and take that into consideration, we're still up 6.6%. So not just inflation's adding to this, but actual real values coming in to this market here, and it continues to go up. So it's something to take in consideration when you're looking at buying or selling here as these prices continue to go up. As I look towards the future, if we see that Georgia and the U.S. starting to level off, we see Fulton starting to level off. Eventually, we're going to see this start to level off here. I would guesstimate, but again, trend right now definitely on an upward trajectory. If we are looking at townhomes and condos here, looking at the same type of thing, median estimated value for all townhomes and condos in the Alpharetta area, 481, 380, a little bit lower than what it was a month ago. But look at these change here for townhome and condo market. We're up 10.2%, so even higher than the single family market. Also, definitely look at this here that happened back in 19 to early 2020 for Fulton. All right, for Fulton County, Alpharetta and Fulton County kind of stayed at this same area in terms of its values. Matter of fact, Alpharetta, some areas are slightly lower. Then we had this boom 2020, 21, and now just this big uptick in condos and townhomes here in Alpharetta. Again, after pandemic, people wanted to move further out. Alpharetta is a great area to live, and we've seen the price increase. Also, a lot of new townhomes have been put up since that 2021 to today, and a lot of more expensive, higher end townhomes in these areas, especially around like the Avalon area or downtown Alpharetta. And I think that's what's going to play a major factor in what we've seen here in these prices going up. We've also seen here that for the U.S., prices have kind of steadied, but look, Georgia surpassed the U.S. and now is above it when it comes to prices of townhomes and condos here in Georgia. Again, there's your Forsyth number here. Fulton County number here, and then your Alpharetta. Moving right along, we're talking about active listings. So these are listings that are currently on the market but have not sold coming into the month now, which is November. And so this median sales price, $1.13 million, is the median sales price of a single family home here in Alpharetta. Again, prices are higher here. So one of the most expensive areas in all of Metro Atlanta, this area and Milton area. Properties, number of properties, 127 properties on the market here. Median days on market for ones that are active, so they haven't gone under contract yet, 50 days. That's definitely something to take a look at. And then median square footage for these properties, 3,384. So kind of give you an idea of how big these homes are here. If I switch over to the condo market here, we're talking about $678,900 for the median list price of homes currently on the market. 103 properties available right now, 50 days on market as well. This living area is at 2,117 for the median square footage here. So again, give you an idea of size of the properties here. We go down to pending listings. So these are listings under contract for last month, but haven't closed yet. So ones under contract haven't closed. We're looking at a median price of $839,500, 54 properties under contract, 82 days on market. Now, just because it's under contract doesn't mean it closes. Some of these will fall out. That happens all the time. So there'll be a certain percentage that don't close and go back on the market. If you're watching this video and you're looking to list your home and you kind of want to know what the maybe value is of your home, I put a link down below. Click on it, you fill in your information, and you'll get an instant value for your home. Of course, if you put your information in, yes, I'm a real estate agent, I will contact you. Some of you out there may just be looking to just put it in there just to get an idea. You're not looking to sell right now, and that's perfectly fine. You want to kick the tires a little bit? Awesome. If you are looking to sell within the next year or so or less, when I contact you, I'd love to talk with you more, get over to your home, take a look at it, give you a more accurate idea of what your home could sell for. But that is below. Again, not going to bug you, but I will contact you if you do put your information in below. Like I said, keeping it real here. So again, that link's below. Let's continue on. Looking at the townhome market and the condo market, list price for ones under contract, $465, 34 properties under contract, median days on market, 65 for these that are under contract. Also note that these on median, this is smaller living spaces. So we got some smaller townhomes and condos selling here, which reflect that smaller price point here. If you're looking to purchase a home, invest in a home, maybe it looks like maybe the smaller ones and lower price ones are selling at a greater clip if you can get your hands on that. So just something to consider if you're an investor. Sold listings here, single family homes. So the number of properties that sold last month, 39 properties sold in Alpharetta for a sales or a list price, a sales price of $830,000. Sales to list price ratio sitting here at 97.7%. Median days on market, we're looking at 27 days, median days on market for Alpharetta. Switch that over to townhome and condo market. Looking at 545,000 as the median sales price. 39 properties here that are that sold, and 33 days on market for those that are selling. So days on market are important to look at. If I jump back over to the single family here, if you're listing a property and you're over, we're almost at 4 weeks here. So you're over the 4-week mark, that median, and it stays on the market, your price point is likely too high. Look to reduce. If you're buying a home and you're waiting and you're seeing these days hit this amount and you haven't seen a drop in price, it's either a good idea that you should anticipate a drop in price, or you can start looking at maybe giving an offer in if it's one you like, but you think it's too high, at a lower amount there. So that's where these median days on market, especially for sold listings, can come in handy comparing those that are currently on the market. Month supply of inventory here. So for single family detached homes, we're still low, 2.47 months of inventory. From 2022 here to 24, we can see a slight increase, right? If I were to extrapolate this and put a line graph on here, you can see that it's starting to go up slowly, right? So not this huge increase. I wouldn't expect this to change, crazy over the next year or two or even 3 in this market. We're definitely still in a seller's market here. Going to be that way probably for a while. 26% increase from last year. Let's see, October was at 1.96 months of inventory. Now we sit at 2.47. So not too crazy. Look at the condo and townhome market here. 3.26 months of inventory. We do see from 2022 on, we definitely see a larger jump here in the inventory. Still definitely in a seller's market, but definitely see a larger jump here. Again, a lot of townhomes specifically. There are some condos and Alpharetta, but a lot of townhomes being built and sold here. So that months of inventory probably reflecting the amount of townhomes that are being constructed here in this area. So what do you think? Alpharetta market. It looks a good place to buy or sell right now, thinking about sitting. Every month I'm going to be bringing you specifically Alpharetta numbers in more cities around Metro Atlanta to give you a better idea of what it looks like hyper locally, so you can be more informed to purchase a home or sell a home. If you want broader numbers, I do a county by county breakdown. I do Metro Atlanta numbers for single family homes and attached homes. You can find those videos on my site here on YouTube. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, reach out to me, comment below, shoot me a text, send me an email, give me a call. My information's in my contact information's in the information below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.